everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com. Welcome to Driving with John Chow. I just dropped outside from school and right now I'm headed home, but I want to relay a story about this Tesla and I guess give you my experience with Tesla's Roadside Assistance program. For those who don't know, Tesla has a 24/7 roadside assistance in case something happens to your car, you break down, and you call them up and they'll help you. So that happened to me last Saturday. We were on our way to, well, we were actually coming back from the Riverside Festival of Lights. It was held at the Mission Inn, and they had this hotel decorated with 5 million Christmas lights and parades and stuff. It was okay. It was okay. Anyway, we were coming back and we're almost home. We're on the I-5 and on the carpool lane, on the I-5, and then suddenly the Tesla's, I guess, dashboard flash, tire deflated, pull over immediately. Like, tire suddenly went flat. The driver's side rear tire deflated on me, went flat, and we're on the carpool lane. And of course, you know, the I-5 is like 5 lanes wide. I couldn't get across to pull over 5 lanes to pull over. So what I did was I moved to the dividing wall, pulled over, and stopped basically next to the carpool lane. So here we're stuck there, and cars on the carpool lane are zooming by, and you know, they're going like 75, 80 miles an hour. And every time they zoom by, you can feel the car shake a little bit. It was quite a dangerous situation. It wasn't good. So we're stuck on a moving highway. Cars are zipping by. There's no way I can get to the curb lane because there's 5 lanes of traffic, and it's a highway. There's no stoplight. So cars are zooming by. We're just stuck there. I call Tesla Roadside Assistance, but apparently it's on the screen right here. Wow, yeah, it's kind of cool. You click on the screen and it says like, need Tesla Roadside Assistance, call 1-877-9079 Tesla. So called them, and well, here's my experience. I called them and was put on hold because it's heavier than normal call volume. So we're waiting. And in the meantime, cars are zooming by. We're feeling the car shake whenever a big car, a SUV or semi zooms by. And we're waiting. And after about, I've been being on hold for almost 20 minutes. Actually, even before we finally got to Tesla, about 15, 20 minutes into it, a police car shows up. The police car shows up, turns on its lights, stops highway traffic so I can finally pull over to the curb. And thank you very much for the CHP officer who did that. That was because it really was a dangerous situation. I mean, you don't want to be caught in that kind of situation where you can't pull over to the side of the road. You're on the carpool side next to a barrier and you can't go anywhere. All right, so CHP officer stops traffic. We're able to get to the side of the road. And just as I get to the side of the road, Tesla roadside. How can I? Finally got to the Tesla roadside, and I said, yeah, we got a flat tire. What do we do? Basically, we got a flat tire. I mean, we can't go anywhere. So the procedure apparently, and because I was wondering, like, how are we gonna get home? I mean, how they gonna tow us somewhere? And it's Saturday night, 10 p.m. Nothing's open, right? So how are we gonna get this tire fixed? Apparently, Tesla has a procedure for this. What they would do is they would bring out an entire wheel and tire, spare wheel and tire for you. They would change it, so they would loan me a wheel and tire. So that's what it is. Yeah, we're gonna come out, we're gonna get your wheels and tire, we're gonna change it out for you, and then you can get my flat fix or repair, and then return the spare tire back to Tesla. That's how it works. Oh, by the way, the reason to do that is because Teslas don't have spare tires. There's no spare tires in this car. So, and they don't give you a fix-it-flat of anything. There's no spare tire kit. They rely totally on Roadside Assistance. And that's their procedure. They will come out and bring you a spare tire, install it, and then and then yeah, it's a 3-day loan. So after 3 days, I got 3 days to fix this flat, and then return the tire to them. Unfortunately, I guess maybe quite a few people has flat that day. They didn't have anyone in the OC area or any service contractor that they use in the OC area to get me a spare wheel and tire. So, long story short, instead of, they went to LA. Yeah, the contractor who Tesla hired to bring me a new spare tire had to come all the way from Los Angeles, 2.5 hour, 2 hour to 2.5 hour before they drive or whatever. So, so that's basically, we had to wait. So we're waiting on the side of the road, and then my wife gets tired. She goes, I don't want to wait. She calls her friend, come pick us up. Her friend comes pick up my family to take her home. So I'm stuck on the middle of the highway, waiting for the Tesla roadside. 2.5 hours later, they showed up, and within 15 minutes, they jacked up the car, popped out the flat, put in the spare tire, put my flat in the trunk, and then I was on my way home. But other than that, that was my experience. I feel that it could have been faster. Being put on hold for 20 minutes, I feel was just way too long. It was way too long, especially in the situation I was in. With the. Yeah, it was not a good situation that I was in where I had to pull over, where I got pulled over, and then 2.5 hours. So the whole deal, 3 hours for roadside assistance. I feel it's a bit long. It's a bit long. I mean, I think Tesla needs to work on that and improve on that. But that was my experience. But overall, they got me back on the road. They got me back on the road, and I'm moving again. So I'm happy for that. The only thing I recommend for Tesla is that maybe I have to work on improving the speed, like the hold time, and I guess the response time. Normally it'd be a lot much faster, but I said all their roadside people in Orange County were busy, so they couldn't get to me. But it was good. It was good that they actually went out of the way to say, well, we still need to get John off the road. We need to, get him back moving again. And even though, so they went all the way to LA to. They bought someone all the way from LA to get me back on the road, so I'm happy for that. So overall, I guess I can't really, I don't have too much to complain about. I mean, they got me back on the road, even though it was a bit of a wait, but they did it. So I'm happy for that, and cool. So that was basically my experience with Tesla roadside. Oh yeah, one thing, the spare wheel and tire they bought me, they got me. It wasn't black. It was silver. It was the regular silver wheel. So now I'm driving around with 3 black wheels and 1 silver wheel behind me. It looks kind of funny. But overall, yeah, I'm happy. I'm changing out the wheel today, guys. My spare tire, my new tire showed up, and today I'm gonna go and gonna change it, and then I'm gonna return this spare wheel to Tesla, and I'll thank them at that time when I return it. So, yeah, that's my story. And if you have a Tesla, and if you have a Tesla and your car breaks down, know that you can call Tesla Roadside Assistance, and they'll come and they'll help you. John Chow from johnchow.com. Thank you very much. By the way, if you're looking for a new Tesla, that's linked below this video. Click on it, and if you buy through that link, you will get 6 months of free supercharging. Doesn't cost you anything, and that's what I did when I went to Riverside. I charged up at this Tesla supercharger. Cost nothing. Free trip. Yeah. All right. Thank you very much. Like and share my videos. Subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.